Okay. What I'm mad at is that I've been out here blending and I had a juicer before and it was not. Hello, wonderful people. Let's unbox my Nama juicer. This box is huge. I was not expecting it to be so big, but let's get started. I am going to make juice today. So I just got back from out of town for a week. Oh, this is nice. And for the most part, I've been eating out. And honestly, I haven't been eating that bad. I was in Florida, so I was eating like a lot of fresh seafood. And I don't know what it is though. I don't like eating out a lot. So like the first day I was there, I had mahi-mahi. Second day I had salmon. And then I had, what did I have on Wednesday? Oh, I went to this place called Fresh Kitchen. It was really good. Thursday, I had Asian chicken salad. I went to dinner with some friends that live in the area. And then on Friday, I had tacos because I love tacos. But I think I'm just one of those people that are sensitive to the effects of eating out. And that's where I'm at. So check this out. I've already washed all my fruits and I got, the recipe is actually from the Nama website. It's like revitalizing or reinvigorating green or something. Okay, so here it is. And then, I don't know if you can see this, but this says a warm welcome from Nama. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in here. So you have the base, the chamber set and quick start guide, the smoothie strainer, the juice container, and the pusher cleaning brush. I didn't realize I got the smoothie strainer. I thought maybe I got the smoothie strainer and I didn't get the other strainer. I don't know. Don't get me in the line, we'll see. I'll go back and look at my order. But I am gonna take all of these out now. Okay, so now I'm just going through unboxing each of the pizzas that came with it. And as far as the smoothie strainer goes, I was kind of confused, but what the smoothie strainer is, it is an actual attachment that comes with the Nama Well juicer, but it has like the larger holes in it, allowing more of pulp and like the fibrous pieces to come through. So I can see that being used when I'm doing like my juices as a meal replacement or anything for breakfast. But what I was thinking about was the sorbet attachment, but I did not get that. And I was like, I didn't think I got the sorbet attachment. Well, that's why, because the sorbet attachment is for making like frozen treats or whatnot. So the smoothie attachment does come with it. The sorbet attachment is something you have to order separate. And I'm thinking about getting that one for the summer because I do like doing like acai bowls or smoothie bowls and things like that. But the weather and the way my coldness is set up, I did not need it right now. But let's go ahead and start unboxing all of these parts that actually come with it. For the most part, everything was pretty light except for the base. The base has some nice sturdy weight to it, which you want your equipment to be nice and like sturdy, strong. Know that it's not going to easily break, but let's unbox these. So the first week of January or so, Nama Well actually did a juicer giveaway and I was on it. Like I was blending my stuff, straining it, making my juices for the giveaway. And in my heart of hearts, I honestly thought that I was going to win a juicer. They were doing like 5 juicer a day and they were going to announce it that Friday or that Saturday. And I just knew that I had a chance. Like I just knew it, but I did not win it. So then I was kind of butthurt and everything. But I'm telling you, this juicer is definitely worth it. Like whether I won it or not, I would buy it again. Okay. I would buy it again and I would buy it without using a discount code, but I did use a discount code. But this juicer is definitely worth it. I have no regrets right now. I'm so excited for my husband to make the juice that comes with it. He likes beet juice. And again, I've been blending it and then straining it, but this is going to be like next level. I'm so excited for him to try it. Now the box came with a lot of instruction manuals. So it had your quick start guide. It had a recipe book, which is pretty cool. It was nice and thick. I know it's at least 40 pages. And then it had like your actual user manual. So as I am wrapping up the unboxing and taking everything out, I'm just looking to see like, does it have any specific instructions for like your first time use? I didn't see anything at quick glance. I'm not going to say I didn't look at it in that much detail, but if you know, you know, right? But I did go ahead and wash everything before I used it. But it came with a lot of stuff, like the suggestions for how to like layer your fruit. There's the stuff that I was talking about, everything that it comes with. So that's your quick start guide. Your actual user manual is right there. And then look at that recipe book. It's actually really nice. And again, it's thick. It has a lot of ingredients. So right now I'm just going through to see if the first juice I'm going to make is in there, because I got it from the Namawil website, but I didn't see it. It's kind of like that little green, but not quite, because I think that one and the other green one I saw called for kale, and I wasn't using kale. I was using romaine. One, I rarely juice with kale because kale is hard on my stomach for some reason. Yes, this recipe book had a lot of recipes, and I definitely will be making these as I continue my juicing journey using the Namawil juicer. And yeah, the smoothie attachment is to make a thicker type of juice. Oh, I like oat milk and nut milk, so I'll probably use it for that also. Okay. This is like a really good guide right here, or some suggestions on what to do for different types of fruits and vegetables. And then again, here's that layering guide, so I guess I can get rid of the other one. So I went and I washed all my parts, and now I need to put everything together so that I can actually start juicing. The instructions are pretty clear, but it kind of just snaps into place also, as long as you know the layering that you're doing. So it wasn't too bad. And before I got the juicer, I had watched plenty of videos, and I saw several videos of people who have the juicer responding to how do you put it together or how do you clean it. But for the most part, again, everything just goes inside one piece that goes inside another piece, and then you'll hear it snap or click. And then also things have to be level. And then finally, I said it then a lot, but anywho, finally, when it's put together, it won't turn on if it's not put together correctly. So that's like the telltale sign. Did it turn on or did it not turn on? And you'll actually see me do that test to see, like, is it actually working? Do I know what I'm doing? But yeah, I'm just going through now for this one. Actually, I had trouble getting this lid off, but after a few uses and washes, it comes off just fine now, like on and off. I have no issues. But what I'm getting ready to show you though, and you'll see it in just a second, is when you put the container where all the fruit goes on top of like the auger, or like where the actual juicing mechanism is, it has a dash on it, and you put that dash on the unlock piece of the auger part, and then you turn it counterclockwise or clockwise. You turn it to the left, so that, and this is what I'm talking about, there's a dash, you turn it left and then it locks in place. I don't think there was a click or anything thinking, but you can like feel it. You know that it's locked. If you've ever had to put something together that actually locks, you know how it feels once it's actually like locked in place or whatnot. But that's what I'm doing. I'm going to line up that line with the unlock piece, and then I'm going to twist it towards the lock to lock it in place. And yeah, there it is. And boom, there you have it, folks. That's exciting. And then the next step for this is you want to actually line the handle of the container where all the fruits and vegetables go to the knob on the juicer, which that was not intuitive to me. I thought like because I'm a righty, I just thought like I would put it on there and it would work. Because for the most part, you can put your Vitamix blender on top as you please, but yeah, you just line the two up and then it's good to go. And finally, don't forget to turn it on to see if it actually works. That's like your telltale sign. The handle is lined with the base. And then insert the power cord. Oh, and I guess it's time to start juicing. About to get started on making this juice. Wash my parts. I'm gonna put my pulp right here, and then my actual juicer right here. Okay, so it turned on. I told you guys I already had my fruits and vegetables washed, so there you have it. And then also have this. That's like my little scrap bag. So parsley, romaine, cucumber, apples, lime, kiwi. Let's go ahead and get started. So while everything else is juicing, like my leaves and everything, I am going to cut my apples because I forgot. We can go ahead and load this partially. The only thing I don't have for this recipe is the ginger. And Trader Joe's didn't have any. And if I'm being honest, I didn't feel like going back to or going to another store. I just got in from out of town, so we are getting what we get. So there is a max fill line on this. So first impressions, I got 30 ounces of juice. See, I don't know if you can see that, but I got 30 ounces of juice. It was a lot faster than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna be able to cut and like add in my apples as it was going, but it moved a lot faster than what I thought it was gonna be. As far as the pulp goes, let's see. I guess it's dry. It seemed like it was much drier at the beginning, like this compared to this, but I'm guessing it extracted okay. So this is like the lining of the lime or whatnot that the juice is actually in. So I got that. I'm guessing it did okay. You can see like all the celery strings and everything. So I can tell you when I juice using my blender, it's usually really thick and takes a lot of ice, and let's just see how this goes. So 36 ounces, if I do 8 ounces a day, what is that? 8 times 4 is 32. So 8 times 5 is 4, yeah. So that's 4 days of juice. Okay. What I'm mad at is that I've been out here blending and I had a juicer before and it was not this quality. It could be the combination of fruits or whatnot, but yeah. And I did not add ginger to my recipe. I told you guys because Trader Joe's didn't have any ginger. Okay. Okay. Initial thoughts is worth it. It's worth it. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Oh my God, very happy, very happy. I'm gonna have to go ahead and make a second batch of this tomorrow because I already know this is not gonna last me. This is actually really good. Pleasantly surprised. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. And yeah, I got it. It actually came in the mail on Monday, which was President's Day, I think. Came in the mail, I was out of town for work. Got it today when I came back in town, when I got my fruits and vegetables. Everything you saw was my first time or whatnot. And like I said, I did like this revitalizing green drink from the Nama Well site, minus the ginger because Trader Joe's didn't have any. But the taste, I'm really surprised. And just like it tastes so much better. This tastes like I went and bought it from like a juice bar or something, as opposed to what I make with my blender, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with that by any means. So definitely will be blending for like thicker, more consistency. I can keep the fiber and the pulp, as opposed to like when I say I'm juicing, I'm actually going to be juicing. I do want to try the smoothie strainer that came with it to see if it gives me consistency near like a blender or if it's still pretty fine like this. But Lord, my husband's gonna be really impressed with this. Like, I think he's gonna like it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.